Former First Lady MELANIA Trump is rolling out a line of limited edition handcrafted Christmas ornaments, along with corresponding animated NFTs to celebrate the season she says is filled with hope and inspired by the American experience and spirit. The former First Lady is launching the Christmas Star exclusively on melaniatrump.com, along with her new American Christmas collection through USA Memorabilia, which features 6 traditional American Christmas ornaments, along with the ornaments' redeemable NFTs. An NFT is permanently and immutably minted onto a blockchain. In this instance, Trump uses an eco-friendly proof-of-stake blockchain protocol named Solana. Once purchased and redeemed, owners of the Christmas NFTs can display and save the artwork as a collectible, and, if they wish, can resell directly on a secondary marketplace. What do you think about it? Comment your thoughts below and follow NFT Premiere for more NFT-related contents.